runway. Where is that landing runway?
Landing what? Sorry?
Landing runway. Like I shall.
Yeah, here.
See that.
Check outside, check. This is the airport.
Okay.
We're flying over the
Yeah.
airport. But you have to turn to the left now.
Yeah.
To follow this pink indicator, yeah.
So I had to come like this, right?
No. Just turn to the left. Yes,
the
that's it. It's okay, it's okay. Make this pink indicator here, in the middle.
Okay. I had to turn left, you said.
Okay. Slowly. Okay, very good.
Oh yes, this should be a straight
Yeah.
line.
And this your runway.
Yep.
Yeah, we take up like
Then I
this.
should come
then
like this.
Yes, right.
I should come
Yes.
like this and runway.
Yes. No. You will now go straight. Then we will turn to the right to
Right,
land on the runway. Okay.
I had to come like this or like this. That's what my question. Like this I had to come or like this I had to
No,
come?
like this.
Okay, how do I know that from here?
I will tell you
Okay.
with ATC. Yeah. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Okay, Captain.
Okay.
So just let me check the frequencies. 1150.
Yep.
Okay, Captain. Perfect.
Okay.
So now, Captain, we will start our procedures as I
Okay.
told you. Okay, we set auto brake number 3. Perfect. Spoilers. This one to help us reduce speed
Okay.
after landing. So pull and set to back side a little bit.
This one.
Yeah.
But we are not yet crossed the.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
We set it just to be ready.
Okay. Pull.
Pull. Yes, that's it. Okay.
Speed brake. Oh, we are
No,
reducing the speed.
Set arm position. Arm position.
Armed. Okay.
No, this off. I will see
Yeah.
like this.
Okay.
That's it.
That's
Perfect. Yeah.
speed brake
Showing you. Okay. And on the last, we will use the reverse. After landing, we will open the reverse. Okay.
Okay,
This
okay.
noisy voice.
Yes. Okay.
Very good. Okay, Captain. Now we will start. Set speed 210.
210.
Yeah. Perfect. Now flap 5 degrees. Flap.
Flap 5 degrees.
Pull. No. Push. Push it down. Pull again. 5.
Yes. 5.
Very good. With flap 5.
Flap 5.
Yeah, we reduce speed to 160.
Yep.
See, when we set flap 5 degrees, we reduce speed to 160. So now you have
160.
to set 160, please. Perfect, Captain.
Yeah,
Are you ready
okay.
to turn to the right to establish runway?
Okay.
Perfect. See, I will rotate now the pink indicator.
Okay.
To the right, go with heading 133. It's runway heading. So now start, Captain, to turn to the right, please.
Okay.
Yes, go, turn, don't afraid, turn. Yes, okay, that's it. Very good.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, now we're flying over New York.
Okay.
Very good.
So now, if I want to contact the
ATC?
airport, yes.
Yeah, in the real we contact, but
Yes.
here in some.
No, I just asked you.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Now you tell me this. That's my flight, and I had to take this
Yeah.
one, right?
Now your priority
Yep.
to go with this line.
Okay.
Yeah.
This line. Yep.
Forget this pink indicator.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Landing gear down, please, Captain. Landing gear. Start land.
Yes.
Very
thank you.
good. Okay. Here we have the landing gear indicators.
Yep.
Once all report you green, set
Okay.
flap 15.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
15.
Now flap 15, please. Yes.
Yep.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Say, Captain, this is your runway.
Okay.
Check outside. This one.
Okay.
You see it?
Yep.
Very good.
I see runway.
Now, Captain, try to establish your aircraft on the center line.
I'm still on 3000.
I know. You have to push it to down. Force
Okay.
it, the aircraft. You have to force it here. More. Because it's heavy. The Boeing, it's heavy aircraft. Okay. Perfect. That's it. Now reduce your speed. 140.
140.
The speed. Yeah. Okay. That's our landing speed. And set
Okay.
flap to 30, please. Yes. That's
Okay.
perfect, Captain.
Okay.
Now start to establish your runway.
Now from here
Can you see it? I will appoint it for you again. This one. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I will help you with the speed to
Okay.
centers. Okay. Okay, Captain.
Yep.
Now make the nose at the horizon line. This line between pro and brown. To
Okay.
start your land with normal rate.
Okay.
Yes, that's it. Keep it like this. Okay, your craft now is landing with normal rate.
Okay.
Perfect. Very good. See, it's going down, right?
Yeah.
So you have to pull up. Yeah.
Pull up a bit too low.
Yes, that's it. Perfect. And to be center of the runway,
Okay.
check from this point
Okay.
outside of runway.
Okay.
Make the runway here
No,
on
I
your right leg.
Yes.
Make three of them one line. You will be in the center line.
Okay. Now I'm not on the runway.
Yeah, you have to turn to the right a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Not too much. Okay.
Okay.
Now start turn to the left.
Okay.
To the left.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Yes.
It's aligned from your side.
Yes.
Perfect. Keep going.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now.
It's okay. Don't be nervous. Okay. Stay calm.
Okay.
Keep your calm. It's okay. Perfect.
Don't need to do anything.
No, no, it's okay. But don't leave the yoke.
Okay. Yoke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't leave it.
And the
Okay.
speed.
Now put your hands on the levers.
Okay.
The both. Be ready once the aircraft report you 50. Sit idle all the way to backside
Backside.
to close the power.
Okay.
Very good. 1000.
1,000.
Checked.
Do I need to do something with this?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Turn to the right.
Okay.
Right. Okay, we have traffic.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay, ignore him. Just keep your landing.
Okay.
500.
Checked.
Okay.
Very good, Captain.
Okay.
You are doing well.
Approaching minimums.
Checked.
Okay.
Minimums.
Landing.
Okay.
$100. Be ready for 50.
100.
Okay.
50. 50.
30.
Yes.
20.
That's it.
10.
Wait for reverse. No.
Yeah.
Keep this.
Okay.
Okay, reverse. Very good, Captain.
Okay.
Perfect. Very good. You do it. Very good. Perfect. Very good. Okay, astronauts, now reverse off, please. Off. Okay, Captain. Very
Okay,
good. It's
okay.
okay. Okay. Now we have to vacate our runway, so increase your power a little bit. Make it both equal. Yes, that's it. Very good. Yes.
How much knots?
Okay. It's okay. Now,
It's okay now.
no, I told you, on the ground we will use
On
the
the
rudder
ground,
pedals.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Now forget this one.
Yes.
Yes. Clean up.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, slowly.
Okay. Which one I should go?
Which one?
To park the flight.
Turn to the right, please.
Turn to the right. So
Yeah.
how do I turn this?
On the pedals, yeah. Yes, very good. We'll stop here, Captain, please. Set idle, power idle. Idle 0.
Idle 0.
Okay, very good. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. So, engage parking brakes, please. Okay, shut down engine 1 and engine 2.
Engine 2.
Okay, fasten port, set off, please. Okay, that's it. Thank you, Captain.
We have reached John F. Kennedy Airport near
That's the private,
United
yeah.
States of America.
Thank you.
The temperature
Yeah.
down at
It's
the
about,
ground is
15
about
degrees.
15 degrees
Yes.
Celsius. And
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed your flight. And thanks. This is Captain signing off, Suresh Kumar VC, and with
Yes.
Mr. Co-pilot,
Yusuf.
Mr. Yusuf.
Yeah. Thank you, Captain. Thank you.